Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy iced green tea latte. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 teaspoon of high-quality green tea powder, your preferred milk, dairy or non-dairy works great, and a sweetener like simple syrup or honey. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious drink in minutes. Next, we'll prepare the green tea base. In a small bowl or mug, combine 1 teaspoon of green tea powder with about 2 tablespoons of hot water. Whisk vigorously until the powder is fully dissolved and no lumps remain. This creates a concentrated green tea shot that will infuse your latte with vibrant flavor and color. A smooth base is key for a perfect drink. Now it's time to assemble your refreshing iced latte. Grab a tall glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. Pour in about 1 cup of your chosen milk over the ice. Then, slowly add the green tea concentrate you just prepared. Watch as the beautiful green swirls into the milk. This layering creates an appealing visual before you even take a sip. Finally, let's sweeten your latte to perfection. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen sweetener, like simple syrup or agave, adjusting to your personal preference. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is well combined. And there you have it, a delicious, easy-to-make iced green tea latte, ready to enjoy. It's a perfect treat for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.